It was actually the first time I would ever spend a night in a hospital, so I was a little bit scared and concerned about that. But the staff there at St. James Healthcare were outstanding. Dr. Nick DeJoven, the surgical nurses, the nurses' assistants, they were all fantastic and they took great care of me.
Since 1881, St. James Healthcare has served the people of Butte and southwest Montana. As the largest acute care hospital in southwest Montana, it also serves as the regional medical center to the surrounding 6 counties. St. James Healthcare is part of the SCL Health System, which includes 7 other hospitals in Colorado, Kansas, and Montana. Over the years, St. James has been housed in several different locations, but it has been in its current location for more than 60 years, and today is a modern state-of-the-art healthcare facility. The adjoining Regional Medical Arts Pavilion is home to Montana Orthopedics, Summit Surgery, and Express Care, as well as the St. James Medical Group, including the Heart Center, Surgical Associates, Summit Lab, and Rocky Mountain Clinic. Commonly referred to as RMAP, the pavilion is home to the Medical Arts Retail Pharmacy owned by St. James.
Hi, I'm Chuck Wright. I'm proud to be the Chief Executive Officer for St. James Healthcare here in Butte, Montana. It's a really great opportunity to be a leader of an organization with such a proud tradition and history dating back to 1881, when a small group of Sisters of Charity of Leavenworth came here with nothing more than the clothes on their back to start a healthcare ministry that has endured for over 130 years, providing compassionate and quality services to the people of our communities. St. James Healthcare is able to serve the Butte Silverbow area and the greater southwest Montana community with over 60 physicians and over 550 associates. St. James Healthcare includes St. James Medical Group, which includes specialists in the areas of cardiology, emergency medicine, family internal medicine, pediatrics, general, vascular, and urologic surgery, as well as medical and radiation oncology. We're proud of the fact that St. James Healthcare is one of the largest private employers in southwest Montana, bringing in somewhere in the neighborhood of $17 to $20 million annually in outside dollars. For every job created at St. James, one additional job is created in the local economy. In addition, St. James provides $7 million of community benefit annually, including charity care for those who don't have the ability to pay.
Offering more than 30 different medical specialties, St. James is an ACS designated Level 3 trauma facility and has a 24/7 emergency department and a 12-bed intensive care unit. Licensed for 98 beds, St. James provides comfortable private suites for every patient. With a medical staff of 63 and clinical and administrative staff of 565, St. James is among the largest private employers in Butte.
I'm Tom Maffiero, and I'm a cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon. Before coming to St. James, I had practices back east in Pennsylvania and Indiana. For 10 of those years, I practiced at large academic medical centers. While intellectually challenging, I missed the personal ability to take care of my neighbors and the people that I lived with in the community. St. James allows you to have that sort of intimate relationship with your patients. Butte is located in southwest Montana, which has unlimited opportunities for outdoor recreation. For 40 years, I came to Montana to hunt, hike, and to fish. I now live here, and that allows you to explore opportunities that are off the beaten path that others who just come to visit will never find.
St. James's major service lines include heart and cardiac care, orthopedics, cancer treatment, and women's and children's services. Our Heart Center provides a host of heart services including EKGs and stress testing, echocardiograms, and heart catheterization. Our Orthopedic Center offers innovative patient-focused services for joint replacement surgery, trauma surgery, and sports medicine. Our Joint Center provides a pleasant environment and all the tools to ensure the best outcome in total joint replacement of the knee, hip, and shoulder. After surgery, patients begin their recovery in the therapy room, and after they go home, therapy continues in our newly renovated Therapy Services Department. The St. James Cancer Center provides radiation and chemotherapy, as well as hematology services. The center promotes a team approach to cancer treatment in a healing and comforting environment. In addition to treatment, patients receive cancer education, nutritional counseling, pain management education, and spiritual care. More than 1,000 surgeries are performed each year at St. James. With state-of-the-art technologies, surgeries are performed with less pain and intrusion, ensuring a speedier recovery. Minimally invasive and laparoscopic surgery techniques mean that patients frequently come in the morning of their surgery rather than the night before. St. James Healthcare also offers the Da Vinci surgical system, providing robotic-assisted minimally invasive surgery for hysterectomies, gallbladder, and urologic surgeries. In gastroenterology, St. James offers traditional endoscopy services along with capsule endoscopy that provides a minimally invasive procedure for direct and complete imaging of the entire small bowel. In our 24/7 emergency department, we deal with everything from a child's earache to life-threatening car accidents and heart attacks. Our team includes over 30 staff and specialists, all trained in critical care, trained RNs with numerous national certifications. With state-of-the-art equipment, the St. James Imaging Center provides MRI and CT scans, as well as ultrasound tests. In the Women's Center, we provide mammograms, bone density tests, and stereotactic biopsies. Through generous donations, the St. James Healthcare Foundation provides financial assistance to patients in need. To other nonprofit agencies in Butte who are focused on healthcare, and to St. James Healthcare for providing special equipment and programs such as our Cancer Center Expansion Project.
It is truly a privilege for St. James Healthcare to serve Butte and our surrounding communities, and we pledge to do our very best to continue bringing in outstanding physicians and growing new programs to better serve our communities.